you ever felt lost in a world without answers? Many search for meaning outside themselves. Nietzsche challenged us to create our own meaning. Life without God can seem daunting, yet it opens the door to endless possibilities. Fear of nothingness can overwhelm us. Nietzsche embraced this fear as part of life. He taught us to dance on the edge of chaos. Challenging societal norms is essential for growth. It's okay to question everything you know. Embracing doubt can lead to self-discovery. Create your own values in this world. Live authentically, even amid chaos. Your journey is your own masterpiece. Life is a canvas, paint it boldly. Accept the absurdity of existence. Find strength in vulnerability. Let go of the fear of judgment. Embrace solitude as a source of strength. Build connections that reflect your values. Let your passions ignite your path. Create your own path step by step. Challenge your limits and beliefs. Your life is a unique journey. Be the author of your own story. Accept that life is inherently uncertain. Find joy in the small moments. Engage with the world around you. You have the power to define your reality. Find peace in the chaos. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Forge ahead even when the path is unclear. Your existence matters regardless of belief. Celebrate your individuality. In the end, you choose your path. Live your truth, it's your greatest gift.